In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add size options to your WooCommerce store. As an online store owner, offering various sizes ensures your customers have a range of choices, making their shopping experience more personalized and enjoyable. So, let's jump right into the details and walk through the process step by step. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to the WooCommerce section of your WordPress dashboard. From there, head over to the Products tab. On this page, you'll see several options, but today our focus is on Attributes. Think of attributes as the specific qualities that define your products, such as color, material, or, in our case, size. Next, click on Attributes. Here you'll find the area where you can create a new attribute for your products. In the name field, type in size. It's important to choose a name that's clear and concise, so it's instantly recognizable in your store's product listings. Once you've inputted the name, go ahead and click on Add Attribute. This action officially creates the size attribute, but we're not quite finished yet. The next step involves defining the specific sizes or values you want to offer. Once you've added this attribute, you'll notice an option called Configure Terms next to Size. Click on Configure Terms to dive deeper into customizing this attribute. This is where you'll enter the individual size options your store will offer. You might start with the basics, such as small, medium, and large. It's essential to input each size as a separate term by typing each value into the designated field and then clicking the Add New Size button each time. Feel free to add as many size options as you think your customers might need, including extra small, extra large, or any custom sizing relevant to your products. Adding these terms individually ensures clarity and distinction between each size, avoiding any mix-ups during the shopping process. At this stage, you've effectively set up a size attribute for your WooCommerce products, a move that can significantly enhance the user experience for your shoppers. They can easily select the size that best fits them, leading to higher satisfaction and potentially decreasing return rates. In conclusion, making these adjustments can seem like a minor tweak in your store's backend, but they have the power to substantially improve the shopping experience you offer. Customers appreciate having options tailored to their preferences, and providing them with clear sizing choices is a vital part of delivering an excellent service. Remember, an effortlessly navigable, customer-oriented website can make a significant difference in e-commerce success. Thank you for joining me in today's walkthrough. Hopefully you found it useful and can apply it to enhance your store. Let us know if there are other topics or issues you'd like us to cover in future videos. Have a great day optimizing your WooCommerce site.